Welcome. If you're keeping an eye on AI tools, you probably know AIAgentStore.ai. Great place to find what's new. Today, we're zeroing in on one specific tool, the Sendbird AI agent. It's designed as an omnichannel agent for customer support.
Exactly. And it's important for you to understand this isn't just, another chatbot iteration. This agent feels like a real shift. It's moving towards truly automating those customer interactions, shaping the whole journey, not just reacting.
Yeah, shaping, not just handling. That's a good way to put it.
It's more than just making things faster. It's about intelligent support that might even head off problems before they happen. Big potential for user experience and, well, letting support teams focus on the human stuff.
Okay, let's unpack this then. Looking at its core features, they are genuinely pretty impressive. It seems really good at understanding intent, like what the customer actually needs, even if they don't say it perfectly.
Right, cutting through the ambiguity.
And it manages contextual conversations, so it remembers past interactions,
Yeah.
even across different channels.
Mm-hmm. Days later, different channel, it keeps the thread. That's crucial.
Okay, and it also does proactive outreach, which we should talk more about, and seamless handoffs to humans when needed, all happening across SMS, email, WhatsApp, in-app chat, integrates with CRMs, knowledge bases securely. Seems comprehensive.
And think about who this benefits. Obviously, customer support teams, that's the main one, but product managers too, right? Getting instant feedback, seeing user pain points immediately.
Well, interesting. I hadn't thought of product managers specifically.
Yeah, and IT engineers could use it for system assistance, CRM admins, cleaner data flows, even revenue operations. Imagine it identifying potential sales opportunities from a support chat, turning support into potentially a revenue source.
Okay, so specific uses.
Yeah.
Automating support 24/7, that's clear. Maintaining that context across channels, we mentioned that. Proactively engaging users. Wait, you said proactive outreach, so the AI can start the conversation.
It can, yeah. That's a major difference from just waiting for a query.
Can you give an example? Like, what would that look like?
Sure. Imagine someone's on your e-commerce site. Maybe they're lingering on a product page for a while. The agent could pop up a chat. Hey, any questions about this? Or looking for something specific?
Ah, okay, so catching them at the point of hesitation.
Exactly. Or for, say, a software product. If a user seems stuck on a certain feature, the agent could proactively offer a guide or some tips. Potentially stops a support ticket ever being created. Less frustration.
Got it. And there's this other feature, activity trail observability. Sounds technical, but important.
Very important. It essentially means you can see the why behind the AI's actions, like its decision-making process.
A black box recorder for the AI.
Kinda, yeah. Really useful for troubleshooting, for improving the AI, and definitely for compliance. You can trace why it did what it did or why it needed a human.
Which brings us to autonomy. It's rated at 84% autonomous. That's high, but not 100%.
Right. And that 84% comes from its ability to run sort of localized agents, understand context deeply, learn over time, and actually do things, execute actions. That other 16%, that's often the really emotional stuff, totally new problems, or complex compliance things where you want a human.
Makes sense. Freeing up humans for the critical interactions.
Precisely. It lets you scale personalized support without losing that essential human touch for the tough cases.
And looking at what people are saying, a big plus seems to be its accessibility. It's highlighted as no-code, multilingual.
Yep, deployable on a website in minutes. That lowers the barrier to entry significantly.
So it's not just for massive companies with huge tech teams.
Not at all. But if you are a massive company, connect that accessibility to Sendbird's known scalability.
Yeah.
I mean, the platform supports, 270 million chat users, 90 million messages daily.
Wow, yeah. It's a lot.
So you get both. Easy to start, but powerful enough to handle enormous volume. That combo is pretty potent for businesses wanting to scale support effectively.
Okay, so wrapping up, what does this all mean for you, the listener? Really think about how an AI agent with this level of autonomy and proven scalability could change things. It's not just tweaking customer service.
No, it could redefine your whole operational strategy around customer interaction, making support proactive, smarter, maybe even a profit center.
Definitely something to consider. To explore the Sendbird AI agent and other tools like it, remember to check out AIAgentStore.ai. And hey, thanks so much for rating the show. It really helps us out.